Tell us when to go.
Go.
Hi, this is Kate. I'm Daria. And I'm Kelsey. And we're doing our BB gun M.O.S today. So we are going to stand from a same distance away and shoot the BB gun at a certain amount of pieces of paper, and we're going to see how many pieces of paper the BB can shoot through.
My hypothesis is 5.
Mine's 7, and mine's 10.
Yep.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Kate, okay.
Wait, you didn't see me do that.
Well, because you're like, thanks for watching.
Okay, one piece of paper. One piece of paper, you ready? The cheaper. Okay, we'll be trying that again. We're doing that again. Okay. Are you ready for this? Okay. So, see this right here? See? It shot hole with a piece of paper right there. You can see the hole. Okay. We are gonna switch to 2 now. Should I open it?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, now we're on number 2. We got a little sidetracked, so we're back now. Yeah, we did. We got through. See that? See the hole right there?
Yep.
We got through both of them.
Okay.
So 2 pieces of paper. Let's go to the third. And after this one, it's Kelsey and Daria's turn to shoot on this.
I'm so gonna miss.
It's like a huge piece of paper. Okay, are you ready? Third one up next. Go through. Oh yeah, right here.
Where?
It went through all pieces of paper.
Where?
Right here. See that?
Oh, I see it. Okay.
It went through all the pieces of paper.
All right.
Okay. 4th turn, and
Paper
who's
number
gonna
4.
shoot the gun next?
I will.
Daria. Okay.
But I'm gonna miss. Just.
Okay, number 4. Dario doing the gun. Where is it?
Did I even hit it?
Is this it right
Oh.
here? Oh yeah.
Wow.
Okay, she hit it, and it went through all of them. Did I feed the dog? No, it's not my turn. It's not my turn now. Sunday morning's not my turn. It's Caroline's turn.
I'm so bad.
Yeah, Daria got it. Okay, next one. Kelsey, can you put that one up? I have the camera. Oh yeah, Daria with the gun. It scares me.
And I know it. Okay, ready right now.
Okay, if you guys didn't know, we're on number 5. This was Kelsey's hypothesis.
Isn't
And
it
it
that one?
looks, no, that was, oh,
Wow.
yeah, it is that one.
It is.
Okay.
And
It went through all 4. So Kelsey's hypothesis was wrong. Okay, we're on number 6 now. And then after this one, it's Kelsey's turn to shoot. You guys, can you put this up?
What?
Can you guys put this one up?
Yeah.
And we need to fix the tape.
Oops. Wow.
Fail. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. Pause. Pause.
Can you restart it?
Pause.
I don't know how to shoot the gun.
You don't know how to shoot the gun?
Do you want me to do it, Kelsey?
Pause.
Okay. Well, I will, but you just... I'll show you how to line it up. Wait, is there a
I think so. I don't know. It's like has a little loady signy thing.
Yeah, I know how to do shoot, like, aim it. Just slowly turn it. Yeah. No, well, you have to aim it back so that's down. Like, you know. Okay. And then that has to be in between those, yeah.
Okay, guys, we're on number 6. We had a little bit of technical difficulties last time. And again, we're starting from the same tape, and we have 6 pages up. We're going to see if we can get it. Daria's up at bat.
Yep.
Did you get through?
Yeah. See? And it's through the one.
Oh yeah. It got through all of them.
Okay.
Okay, number 7. Kelsey, put up number 7.
I'll put it up and I want you off of this. And look, it almost looks like me.
Where?
With the curly hair and everything.
Yeah, we found some doodled papers, and so we decided to save the planet and use those and not new pieces of paper. Huh, guys? We're good people.
Cycling is good for the earth.
And she's shooting a gun. Okay. She's her father's daughter, that's for sure.
You made it. And it's through.
And it's through all of them?
Okay, well that's...
Oh, look, there's Daria's hypothesis. Mine is the only one coming up. A good hypothesis so far. Your hand's in the way.
How could I take it?
Okay.
You can go beat up a can.
Where's
Kelsey.
the moth that we shot?
Somewhere in
The
there.
moth is gone. You shot it. And I don't know where it went.
We shot a moth. Okay, sorry. So anyways. Ready, Kelsey?
Number 8. It went all the way through, I think.
Yep. Wait. Yeah, I did.
Wait, are you sure?
Yeah. I checked.
Oh, yeah, there it goes.
You
Alright, so it's still going through.
Okay, number 9. Here, I'll hold it.
Number 9's up next. And then I'm going to shoot the last one because I'm special, because it's my BB gun. Actually, I stole it from my uncle. He's in college, so he doesn't miss it. Oh, I'm shooting.
No, she's shooting.
Oh.
You're still.
Yeah.
Ready, Kelsey?
Yep. We're out of BBs, guys.
Okay.
Okay, we'll entertain you with beatings of soda cans. I'm sexy and I know it. When I'm at the beach, I'm in a Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. What? This is how I roll. Animal print pain's out of control. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Oh, Dario works out. Kelsey, are you finished?
Kelsey.
You dropped a BB. How dare you?
Do this.
Look at Daria's body. Oh, look at Daria's body. Oh, look at Kelsey's body.
I work out.
They both work out. When I walk in the spotlight, this is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at
You
me.
wanna do it?
She's got passion in her, nothing, and she ain't afraid to show it. Show it. Show it. Kelsey's sexy and she knows it.
Oh, yeah.
That one's stuck in the crack, so.
Are you ready? This is the cool part. Okay.
Here.
Do it the sexy way.
I'll put 3 just in case you miss.
Okay, then.
Okay.
The next victim.
Other way.
Is that?
No, that's good. If it went in, it's good. Okay, Kelsey, go to the tape line.
Wait, where are the BBs? Oh.
Go in.
Wait.
We're on 9 pieces of paper, one away from my hypothesis of it not being able to make it through.
Yeah, it went all the way through. Yeah, it did. See, look at the
Okay,
back, too.
number 10.
See, that's the first paper. Yeah. When I walk in the spotlight, this is what I see.
We're on number 10 now. This is my hypothesis that it won't go through. Well, it went through all of them. I saw it come out the back. See that hole right there? And then it went all the way through to the back right there. Okay. Guys, we need more pieces of paper.
Oh, I got them. Wow. I ripped half of it.
You did rip half of it. I think we need to start over again. We don't need the numbers.
We don't.
Uh-uh.
This is number 11. It's Caroline's pretty face.
Okay. These are all drawings of Caroline from when she was 5. Okay, guys, number 11. This is all past all of our hypothesis. My BB gun is stronger than we thought.
Yep.
Okay, number 11.
Okay.
Is there anything that went
I don't think anything came out. Hey, Jax.
Look, it's my dog, guys.
Come here. Hi, cutie pie. Hey, look at you. Why is there the little Lodi sign?
I don't know, but when there was a little loading sign, everything was still working last time.
Okay. Hi.
Guys, ready for this? Number, what is this now?
11. So, we just kept doing it and it still worked, so now we're going to try the 20th piece of paper. Is that it? It like barely made it. I don't think it did. There's like a little crack.
Okay,
See, there's a hole.
Didn't make it, guys.
Didn't make it, so 20.
So 20 is the max amount.
So the BB gun was a lot stronger than we thought it would be.
Yep, and that's our M.O.S.
Thanks, guys.
No people were harmed in the making of this video. Just a few cans.
And M.O.S.